This just happened. I found these three guys in my backyard. I decided to call this guy Jesse, James, and that one Hebdo for some reason. Anyway, they're pretty cute. I don't know, the mother mama kitten left them here. Pretty cute. I got some milk so that when the cat comes back, she can drink it and then feed them. This one's very cute. It's barely as big as my finger. Here it is. Just don't bite me. The cute little cat. I just do this, dip my finger down there, and just go. Yeah, you can have that. Then this guy has it. Thinks I'm his mom or something. Look at those gorgeous eyes. I dip my finger there and just go like, yeah, you can have that. And then immediately start biting my finger. Yeah, that's one way you can feed them. If they're very small. Works. Just make sure. Look at that. Call him Head 2. He's got this brown spots over him. These two guys, they're almost identical. Look at the difference. The eyes are gorgeous blue. Cheers. He's hungry. It's hot summer down. Have this. This one does not. This one's pretty grown up, I think. I try with this guy. Yeah, he understands. Yeah, he understands. So do I. My finger is almost in his mouth. Look at this guy. Look the way he's staring at me. Oh. Yeah, I in one corner. They're very small. I mean, this is my foot for comparison. All three are across. Anyway, that's that. Jesse, James, and Hebdo. Hebdo is half of his mother, half of his father, I think. And this one's, I don't know, choking. I don't know what's happening. Yeah, but he looks like that. He looks like that guy. Deathstroke, I think he's called that. Take a look. He's cute. Love this voice. Oh, wait. Look at my hands. Yeah, there you go. Ouch. Teeth are very small and tender. Very tiny.